Hey guys, welcome to Plant Therapy. This is Mona, and today I'm at Thanksgiving Farms. It's been a while since I popped in, and we're about a week out from Easter, as you can see from this cute little display here. The video is pretty raw, not too much editing going on, so I hope you don't mind. A little background noise, but hang in there with me. You'll see a lot of goodies that's worth the watch. Okay, let me know what you think below. And if you haven't subscribed, please do. Thanks for watching. Addabella Poense. I know I didn't say it right. $32.99. It's not a bad price, I think. I don't know. Varicosum. Wait a minute, tell you the price. $32.99. Here's some rings of fire. $28.99. Golden Dragon. $28.99. Look at this. Billiete. I don't know how to say it. Billietier. $22.99. Let's come down. Oh. Pink Princess. $32.99. It's not a bad one. Nice variegation on these leaves. Coltonianum. $32.99. Mexicanum. It's pretty. Here's a Tacon. $62.99. This one's $48.99. $2.99. Anthurium clarinervium, $42.99. I think when I finally go down that road, this will be the first one I try. $12.99. These are cute. And there's the disco ball, $10.99. It's cute. Oh God, this is heavy. $16.99. So pretty. This has always appealed to me. I had a baby one, but I let it die. Ripsalis philocarpus, $24.99. Little jelly beans, so adorable. Tiny little ones are $5.99. That's a cute. Cute. Hello. Hello. Hi, bird. What's your name? Hello. Are you Chico? Where's Chico? Is that Chico in here? Oh, you want attention? Hi. Hi. Hello. Can you talk for me? Pretty bird. Are you a pretty bird? Hello, pretty bird. Hi. Hi. Now you get to see how beautiful these syngoniums look when you give them a pull. Oh my gosh. Mine are getting leggy, so maybe I'll do that. Give them a pull and see what happens. So pretty. Aww. Curtisia, $16.99. Cubic calyx. Hoya compacta. These are cute. The outer variegation, $9.99. And these are cute, $16.99. Variegated Rietii or tricolor. I've been wanting this one. These Philodendrons are $22.99 for the 4-inch. I would love one, but I wouldn't know where to put it once it got bigger. This monstera is $16.99. $22.99. This ficus moonshine is beautiful. And they want $32.99 for it. This one is also $32.99. The big one still marked $225.99. Mommy ain't silver. $12.99. They're cute. You know me and my silver plants. Silver sword, $16.99. I have some lipstick plants here. Nope. Well, they said Birkin. I thought it was a lipstick plant. $8.99. So cute. This one's getting a little variegation. I mean, like, do you agree with this? And I have probably 20 of them in the house. And thanks to you. I should get this to add to what I have. Peperomia beetle. Mine is growing. I love this. So adorable. Peacock. Elbow. Peacock. Elbow vitata. Mine got so they couldn't put in the house anymore. So I clean and in fact, if I think of it, I look for the everything here is so adorable. Look at these baby. This is $3.99. This adorable little peperomia. Ooh. What we have here. I love Dieffenbachia, but I have a cat. $22.99 for these beauties. I think I'm gonna try the Asian violet. She said that they're gonna bloom blue. I'm gonna grab a couple of these. I think I'm ready to try one. I can't leave here without taking a picture of this orchid table. Let's try these little cutie pies here. Aren't they beautiful? Okay, so it's $5.99. I'm assuming it is $5.99 just the plant, but I'm not sure. But they're gorgeous. So cute. Oh, look at the color in this one. This one is $28.99 Maxima. Oh, beautiful. Those flowers are gorgeous. Look at this little cutie. Look at all the buds on this one. And beautiful root system. It's a pretty yellow one. Magnifica. Look at this. See the buds on it. So cool looking. Oh, so